imagine your entire world ending one day? Not a war, not a disease, not an enemy, but a rock from the depths of space which wiped out the most powerful animals on Earth forever in a matter of hours. This is the amazing story of the last days of the dinosaur. About 66 million years ago, dinosaurs were the kings of this Earth. They ruled the Earth for 160 million years. Just think, humans have only lived a few 100,000 years. Some dinosaurs were small and lightning fast. Some were so big that they were as tall as a 5-story building. Dense forests, vast plains and swamps, they were all home. And a new discovery from scientific research, according to a study published in 2025, dinosaurs were not in decline before extinction. In fact, they were still thriving when that meteorite hit Earth. They had no idea that their empire was about to end. A normal day, that turned out to be their last. Everything was normal that day too. Predatory dinosaurs were out hunting. Herbivorous dinosaurs were chewing on tree leaves. Small animals were resting in their burrows. Life seemed completely normal. But in space, beyond the planet Jupiter, a giant rock was rapidly moving towards Earth. The message of death came from space, and it was no ordinary meteorite. A major scientific discovery of 2024, scientists from the University of Cologne proved that it was a carbon-type meteorite that came from the outer part of the solar system, beyond the orbit of the planet Jupiter. It was between 10 and 12 kilometers in diameter, but its speed left a crater more than 145 kilometers wide. It was so bright that if anyone had seen it, even the sun would have been dwarfed. Then suddenly, the moment came. The meteorite hit the Earth at Chicxulub in what is now the Yucatan region of Mexico. The explosion was so powerful that its energy was equivalent to 10 billion atomic bombs. The entire Earth shook like a light balloon. The sky was filled with fire, and even animals thousands of kilometers away could not escape the devastation. The impact created a hellish scene on Earth. Forests burst into flames everywhere, massive earthquakes shook the Earth, volcanoes erupted, and tsunamis as high as buildings rose in the oceans. Countless animals were wiped out in a matter of moments. But the real devastation had only just begun. The sky was filled with ash, smoke, and dust. The sun's light almost stopped reaching the Earth. Day and night became darker. The temperature began to drop rapidly. Plants began to die, and the entire food chain was disrupted. Even the dinosaurs that had survived the initial destruction could not last long. No food left, no suitable weather, no means of survival. Eventually, about 80% of the Earth's animals were gone forever, including all non-avian dinosaurs. Smithsonian Magazine and so ended the 160 million year reign of dinosaurs on Earth. Interestingly, not everything was gone. Small mammals, which lived in burrows underground, were somewhat spared. They could survive on less food and were able to withstand harsh conditions. And another surprising thing, according to scientists, the avian descendants of dinosaurs are still among us today, meaning birds are actually the living descendants of dinosaurs. After the extinction of the dinosaurs, mammals had the opportunity to spread. After millions of years of evolution, as a scientist from the University of Cologne says, this same collision gave birth to mammalian life. If that meteorite had not come, then perhaps dinosaurs would have ruled the planet instead of humans today. A moment, a stone, and the entire history of the Earth changed. Dinosaurs, considered invincible for 160 million years, became a thing of the past in a matter of hours, and their destruction paved the way for the existence of humans. The question is, if Earth were to face a similar threat again in the future, would humans be better than dinosaurs? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments.